Hi beautiful people, Grace is here. I hope you're having a good day. Weather here is today, it's just beautiful, sunny, so it's another beautiful day. Today, I have a question. How much money do you spend on your cleansing products? Maybe 20, 30, 50, or maybe 100? Because today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY cleansing wipe, which works amazing. And it is just gentle on your skin, and it is very, very economical. Sounds interesting? Okay, I will show you. Okay, all you need is just 3 different ingredients I will show you. Number 1 is cotton wipes. I recommend just a gentle one, soft, gentle one. Okay. Number 2 is your cleanser. You can use a cleanser you use now as long as it doesn't irritate your skin. Okay, this is a Johnson & Johnson Baby Wash. Yeah, it's good, nice. I recommend it. And this is CeraVe. CeraVe is my favorite brand because it's super gentle on your skin. I highly recommend it. And this is a foaming cleanser, foaming facial cleanser, normal to oily skin. This is pretty gentle, so I highly recommend it. But you can use any cleanser. Okay, number 3 is oil. For oil, I love to say you can use any oil, but unfortunately I can't. You must use the oil doesn't clog your pores, which is a non-comedogenic oil. For example, I've seen so many people using coconut oil for their skin, but I don't recommend to my clients because coconut oil is very high in comedogenic rates. If you have a sensitive or acne-prone skin, coconut oil is a must avoid. Let's talk about safe non-comedogenic facial oils. Why non-comedogenic oils? Basically, non-comedogenic oils don't clog pores. For example, grape seed oil may help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles on dry skin, and can also be used as a spot treatment on pimples. It also makes a great massage oil for body and scalp. Non-comedogenic oil helps to keep moisturized in without it creating breaks out. To be considered a non-comedogenic oil, it must be rated 2 or lower. I recommend the grape seed oil or olive oil because they are very affordable and you can get it from anywhere. And my favorite is grape seed oil because, of course, affordable, you can get it from anywhere. And the main reason why I love grape seed oil is because this texture is not as sticky as other oils. So it's pretty, simple and fresh. So I love grape seed oil. Okay, let's make your DIY facial cleansing wipes. First, you need a small container. You can use any container, just a small size. This is, silicone bowl. I bought it from online. It's pretty easy to use. And you need just water. You can use the distilled water or boiled water, but just use tap water. It's fine. Like you use tap water every day for your shower or cleanse your face, okay? I need about 3 teaspoons. So about 3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons. And you need now just cleanser about just 1 pump. Big 1 pump like that. Then you need oil. You need about teaspoon of oil. Like that. Just like that. And we use only teaspoon of grape seed oil. Mix it all together like that, easy. Then just dip it in your cotton wipes. Very easy. Then squeeze a little bit. Then that's it, all done. I normally use 3 pieces of cotton wipes. That's enough for me because I use on both sides. Then you just wipe it really clean like that, and you will have very clean face. And afterwards, you don't need to use extra cleanser to wash your face. Just use warm water, just rinse it very well. That's it. Super easy, isn't it? And please remember, please be gentle when you wash, right? This is a #1 secret to have beautiful, healthy skin. Always be gentle, right? I don't recommend make this a big batch and put in a glass jar and put in your bathroom and use it for a few days or a few weeks. This is not a good idea because any skincare products containing water must have preservative, right? Without preservative, bacteria loves, water and oil mixture. They have a big party and eventually it will be a big bacteria heaven. No one wants it, right? So please just remember, hygiene is first and beauty is second. So just to make it just before you use it. It only takes about 30 seconds. Really simple and easy, right? So please, hygiene first and beauty second. Another cool thing about using this cleansing wipe is, some days we wear a little bit heavier makeup, some days we only use sunscreen during a day. So we can adjust the strength of the cleanser. So simply, you can just, add extra or less oil or cleanser. So you don't have to spend on, extra cleansing products. How cool is that? You can save lots of money. I hope you have a good idea about making your own DIY cleansing wipes. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and I'll come back with nice videos. Thank you for watching again. You have a lovely day. I will see you soon.